In farming, we always grew the crops and harvested the crops and then sold the crops, and I wanted to go all in. My name is Patrick Desatel. I live in central Louisiana in Avals Parish. So the whole concept here of creating Two Sisters Salsa was to create a family business in the hopes that, my wife and I could work together, and that one day once our girls were, finished with school, that they could come and be part of the family business also.
I think it's pretty cool because we have a business named after us, and not a lot of people have that named after them.
Now, whenever I get older, I'll have something to come back to and to own the company and make money to support my family.
Back then, 5-6 years ago, it was me and a friend and our families. We were experimenting in the kitchen and different recipes. And being a salsa lover, I knew that this is the kind of salsa that I wanted to eat. And this is what I would hope to find in the grocery store. The real challenge was gonna be to sell it. We knew that we had to start developing a sales team, a sales staff, because that was going to be the most important part of the company now. We made, I think, 100,000 jars our very first year, where we went from 100 to 200,000, then 400,000, then 800,000, and then, we're looking to produce well over 1 million jars this year. Our distribution today is approximately 20 states and 4,000 to 5,000 stores. Obviously I needed some financing to do what I wanted to do. As far as, the Louisiana Land Bank, it was strictly, I would say, my relationship with David Bergeron. I think it's about the people more than anything. It's still a family concept, and you want people that are close to you and believe in you. And he believes in me and my family. He's told me that in the past. So 5.5 years ago, when I went to him, we wanted to build an initial production facility and warehouse. 6 months ago, I went to him again and said, look, I want to expand. We need, our business is growing. We need more room. We're running out of space. Let's go ahead and build another 10,000 square foot warehouse facility. Louisiana Land Bank's always been good to us too, and what they did was allow me to get the financial support I needed to make all this a reality. I feel very fortunate to know a guy like David Bergeron, a bank like the Louisiana Land Bank, because you want to know that they have your back, and that, whether it's good times or bad times, you're in this together and you're going to see it through, until the end. I know I'll always have their support.